ClimateTree helps human beings deal with the cause and effect process of global and local importance. The cause of this is increased carbon emissions in the atmosphere from all kinds of human activities to produce energy, to produce the things that we buy, to produce the food that we eat, and the ways in which we transport ourselves around all emit carbon emissions into the atmosphere. What happens in the atmosphere with these gases is that they interact with the sun's heat and trap it. Some of this is essential and has been essential for the evolution of life on the surface of the Earth. Without the gases and without them trapping the sun's heat, we'd be cold like Mars. If we had way too much, we would be like Venus, which is the hottest planet in the solar system. The effect of these additional carbon emissions from human activities going into the atmosphere has an effect that's known as climate change. Depending on where you live, this can range with many effects. It can mean more droughts and wildfires. It can mean stronger storms. It can mean more water or less water. It can mean warming of the oceans. And it can change the distribution of life and crops and people on the surface of the earth with disasters. Given the situation, climate scientists have divided two strategies to solve the problem. We can't change the sun, but we can change how much carbon dioxide is going to the atmosphere. And we can even try to reduce the amount of carbon that's already there before we emit more. Those strategies are called mitigation. On the other hand, there's more carbon dioxide in the atmosphere now than there has been for thousands of years. So the effects of climate change are already happening. And how do we deal with those to reduce the harm caused by the effects of climate change? That's called adaptation. ClimateTree organizes its solution stories into those strategies. And within those strategies, there are 17 sectors. There's 7 on the mitigation side and 10 on the adaptation side. For the mitigation side, which has those 7 sectors, there's 82 distinct mitigation solutions. And for the adaptation strategy, of which there are 10 sectors, there are 123 distinct adaptation solutions.